Welcome to TubeTech International. We are a global leader in research-led high-tech cleaning and inspection services, focusing on developing methods to solve the industry's most difficult cleaning challenges across the world. Our mission is to provide customers with an outstanding and professional specialist cleaning service with proven, research-driven, high-tech fouling removal solutions that deliver unrivaled results and profitability. The result is a fully operational asset that is 90% clean as standard, which reduces running costs for your organisation, significantly improves productivity and lowers CO2 emissions. These are just some of the benefits of choosing TubeTech International as your maintenance partner. TubeTech was founded in 1988 by our current CEO Mike Watson, with a mission to answer heavy industry's challenges with innovative solutions. 30 years on, we're the contractor of choice for the world's largest petrochemical companies, solving even the most challenging and critical fouling projects.
TubeTech's history, vision and mission is built on meeting challenges head-on. The ethos I've always promoted since day one within the company is that of striving to continuously improve upon everything we do. When you work with us, you'll access this ethos and experience. At TubeTech, we understand the challenges of the industry and more importantly the challenges affecting your operation. We never stop innovating, as I say, so you can achieve the best possible result now and in the future.
You may be relying upon systems that don't deliver the outcomes you need or would expect. Well, our range of world-class technologies will exceed your expectations. For more complex requirements, our technical team can engineer a bespoke and more cost-effective solution to unlock previously untapped savings and benefits. And typically, we can mobilise anywhere in the world within 72 hours, with a team of highly trained technicians and state-of-the-art equipment. From Texas towers to air-cooled condensers, fin fans, heat exchangers, and many more critical plant assets, we have the knowledge and technology to tackle any level of fouling. TubeTech's advanced robotic cleaning and inspection technology is industry leading, enabling safe remote access to confined spaces, delivering superior cleaning standards, and providing detailed information tailored to the client. And we never stop innovating. Our new generation robot is a game changer, providing even greater results and delivering a competitive advantage to our customers. And it doesn't end there. TubeTech is one of only 7% of companies to be successful in winning multi-million research and development funding from the EU Commission Horizon 2020 programme, enabling us to develop groundbreaking solutions for the wider industry. This funding was granted as a result of our commitment to positive environmental impact and our vision to drastically increase plant productivity through innovative cleaning technologies. And this has resulted in our new Shell-side jet technology, the only solution which guarantees to remove fouling from the outside heat transfer surface of shell and tube exchangers. Our dedicated research and development team is continually developing new technologies to tackle emissions, remove fouling faster, more efficiently, and with superior results. And we do all of this with operator safety at the forefront. At TubeTech, we are geared towards providing next-generation solutions to heavy industry's most complex challenges, addressing environmental issues, and delivering profits to our clients. With facilities in the UK, US and Asia, wherever you are in the world, we can help. TubeTech, engineered cleaning pioneers.